I'm Dr. Surya Prakash Sharma. An orthopedic surgeon. I'm working for the Northern Railway Hospital, Delhi. In day-to-day practice, we are seeing a lot of rheumatology patient, rheumatic arthritis patient in our practice. So they are moving between the physician and orthopedician to tackle how to tackle them and to know their problem and what are the basics things and what we have to provide. That's why I choose this course, and this course is very beneficial. This course has given lot of information, basic information, advanced and evidence-based knowledge, how to tackle the patient. Any patient is coming to the hospitals, all the rheumatology patient, how to investigate, how to manage, and what not to do, and when to send to patient to the expert rheumatologist. This is the main crux of this rheumatology course. Yes, I'll advise this course to the other colleague of my orthopedic surgeon to come and join this course. This will be very beneficial to provide all the DMRD. This will change your concept of initiating, maintaining, and when to alter and when to check for the remission of the disease. Thank you.